Hi everyone, my name is Andre, and in this short video I will tell you about how I created this shot. I can briefly explain the whole post-production process. So let's start from the base shot. So I took around 23 shots to get everything in focus, starting from this point to that one, as you can see right here. So it's kinda focus point simply moving from the front, from actually this area to this one. So this way I got the whole composition in focus. That was kinda very. I've been using this shot as the core, as the background layer, and then I took another sequence only to get the proper lighting on the rings. So absolutely same process. It took me only 9 shots instead of 23. And here is the outcome of the process. So this way I got those rings totally in focus. By the way, I used this Ren stacker to get all things done. You just simply add files to that program and it automatically creates the final outcome. You just have to. I'm not gonna show it right now anyway. This doesn't make much sense. So after that, I put those two files in Photoshop, as you see right here. So this is the base layer, and then I added this shot, this one. On the top of that one, as you can see. Here's before and after. And after that, I just started to retouch everything. I removed some dust, scratches and stuff everywhere. So also I slightly added this part of the wooden cube right here. I did some color correction, and then I started to work on details, this part as well, and so on and so forth. Basically it's just kind of a regular retouching process for any jewelry shots, like this one. As you can see, I tweaked colors and gradients right here, for example, and right there, for example. So it's pretty routine stuff, nothing kind of exciting in this one, you know, just a bunch of layers. So I've been using the clone stamp tool and healing brush, I guess, yeah. Probably the hardest part during the shooting is to keep camera absolutely still, because otherwise you have some troubles when you're gonna combine everything in Photoshop. For example, if your camera shifts during the shooting, you'll be in trouble in case to match those shots exactly. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to speed it up post-production process, so you'll see what I did exactly. Of course it will be upspeeded, so just for demonstration purposes, so you get the kind of the whole idea of what was going on. By the way guys, if you want to learn more about jewelry photography and want to know how to shoot some stuff on a white background with the focus taking, you have to definitely check this course on Photog. It will be live webinar, which starts at 1 p.m. PST, basically in a few hours. So it will be also available as a recorded version, so if you won't be able to attend at the webinar, you can always watch it later, so without questions. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.